Growth mindset means continuous improvement. Our human brain can support constant improvement in memory, skills, abilities and knowledge. Stepping out of the fixed mindset and into a growth mindset is the key to unlocking the brain's real potential. Intelligence is not something concrete that cannot be changed either. It can be enhanced through effort. Listen to your inner voice. A lot of times you may catch yourself thinking that you cannot do this or that. This is an inner voice that you need to hear. It is telling you that you are approaching the end of your comfort zone, that what you are about to do has never been done before, by you. Still, you can teach yourself to conquer fear. Observe your beliefs. Use the skill of self-observation to realize which beliefs your fear of the unknown is based on. What is keeping you from doing X or Y? Look into your beliefs. It will help you to write them down. How are the limiting thoughts keeping you from attaining your goals? Try to do something new every day. Take each day as an opportunity for positive change, and you will be a step closer to the growth mindset. Take the perceived obstacles as challenges that you need to embrace and overcome, instead of difficulties that will detract you from your route to accomplishment. Take note of what you do well in. Remember to note down the things you tried and did well at. These are facts that overthrow your initial fears. Note it down and organize it. Make sense of it. Find out which skills these accomplishments point out. Treat yourself for doing a good job. Plan your rewards ahead of time, or come up with them as you go along. Make sure you treat yourself to something when you have attained something you have wanted to achieve. It can be something small, like a phone call to a friend. Find out why trying is worth the effort. Think about what is driving your effort toward achievement. Why is this worth it? What are your expectations and how do you see yourself changing through your effort to achieve? Focus on doing well enough. Keep your mind focused on achieving something, not on perfecting it. Perfectionism drives many masters back, while constant effort to achieve better results motivates many people to become masters. How can you reach a good enough result? Not yet. Learn to speak as somebody who is putting in effort still. When you have decided that you will always be learning and improving, then saying not yet instead of I am not good makes sense. Try saying I am not done trying yet or I am still working on it. Love yourself. Speak to yourself as you would speak to a friend you love. Decrease the negative comments, diminish the volume of your voice and speak gently. It will help to do things that prove this love to yourself, be it self-care or a healthy lifestyle. Remember, you are a hero of your own.